Hello, my bunny shop babes. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite giftable items for the holiday season. It is the Rianne S Heart Vibrator, and this is one of my favorite giftables because it makes a great stocking stuffer. It's a great gift for a newbie who has never purchased a vibrator before. This is a great intro vibrator. It's a super sweet gift for a partner or even just for yourself. I love this as a giftable because the packaging itself is absolutely beautiful. It looks like a tiny little macaroon box or like a little pastry box, and it has the signature Rianne S logo in this really pretty like wax looking emblem thing. And it's just a sweet little box, and I will show you what's inside. So it's this adorable little heart vibrator. It comes in 3 colors and they all have this gold champagne trim. This is an external clitoral vibrator made out of medical grade silicone, so it's completely body safe and it's super easy to use. All you have to do is press down the button in the back and it will turn on. And it has 10 speeds, and to switch the speeds you just hold down the button and you can experience 10 different speeds and vibrations. So to turn it off, you just simply hold it down and it'll shut off. And so this is a really great travel vibrator because it's so small and it's very discreet. It doesn't look like a vibrator, it just looks like this really cute heart thing. And it's also very travel friendly because it is USB chargeable, so you can just plug this right into your computer and plug this into the bottom of the vibrator and it'll charge right up. And so it also comes with the Rianne S instructions manual and this adorable little signature Rianne S Kisses card. It has a 2-year warranty, and that's it. It's really cute. It's very affordable. It's $36, and if you sign up for Love Notes, our email list, you get 15% off your first purchase, so go ahead and sign up for it for your discount. And if you have any other questions, please DM us, comment below, or send us an email at info@bunnyshop.com and we will help you out. So thanks you guys. I really appreciate you watching these product videos. Take care.